Around December, when I started collecting my first few plants, I saw this cute little one here and I thought, I like it. I'm going to take it home and I'm going to stick it in this self-watering pot and it's going to beautify my kitchen. And I thought the leaves were going to stay like this forever and ever, but it's just popped up this huge glossy thing that just looks kind of alien to the whole plant. See how glossy that is? Compared to these, which are just kind of, yeah, I mean, they look sort of different, and I'm not sure how I feel about that, but it seems to be saying to me that I'm going to be a huge plant, which is fine. And I'm thinking, well, you know, I'm just going to let it do its planty thing and beautify my house in any way it sees fit and be a nice plant. It's an Aglaonema? Is that how you say it? I don't really know. I think this botanist kind of went, let's come up with a name that's really hard to say. That'll fix them. And they did so. So there's that. Anyway, these plants are actually not your Instagram babies. These are the ones that are really cheap to get. So you probably pick this up really cheaply for about, maybe $6, $8, something like that. Anyway, it's a nice plant and I'm not knocking it. I'm hoping that it is going to grow very large, and I've seen videos of it since, and it actually turns out to be something like that. Like this is a peace lily. Gets about this big. Anyway, that's it for me. I just wanted to show you that. Over and out.